Thanks for watching. We just got the new iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. Just going to be going over on how to use it because it's a little different than your previous iPhones. Or if you're just a beginner, you never had an iPhone before, this video will help you out. So how to use this thing, because there's no more home button. Okay, so this is your on and off lock. You swipe up instead of your home button from now on. So when you swipe up, that brings you to the home. Say you're on this page and you want to go back to it, you can go to that, or you can swipe left and right. Same way to delete apps, and like I said, if you are new to the iPhone, that's how you delete an app. Hold your finger for a couple seconds when it shakes. If you want to move this from this page to the next page, you can then put this one here, or if you just want to leave it on the same page and you want to just move it up in the upper left hand corner, you would do that. Now if you overlap apps, it will throw them into a smaller box. Swipe up, oops, tap the screen, and now that app that I just moved in there, if I want to put the eBay app in there, oh, it's giving me options to search. Sometimes it does that, it's funny. Okay, so move that into the box, simple like that. Okay guys, stop the shaking, you can swipe up and that'll remove the shaking. Okay, if you want to go to your running applications, before on the old iPhone you would double tap. Well, now it's this, swipe up, hold, and then it pops up. Now if you want to delete any of these running apps, before you used to just swipe up and get rid of them, now it's hold, little X pops up, and you can close them out. Okay, so that's a little quick tip on how to get to that. So again, swipe up, hold, and there it goes, it pops up. Okay, the old iPhone, you would swipe up at the bottom and it would give you a control center. Well, now it's upper right hand corner, swipe down, there's your control center. You could also add other icons here by going to, watch this, go to settings, controls, control center, customize controls, click on that, and now you can add these. Say I want to add my alarm clock, touch the plus thing, say I want my stopwatch, voice memos. You could put, I think it's about 4 or more, but let's go back to your control center and look what I've just added to the bottom. Once you're in here, if you like using your hotspot and stuff, a lot of people don't know this, but check this out. In this little area here, you hold it, more options just popped up. Personal hotspot, airdrop, airplane mode, different options pop up. So holding music brings it up, different things. So different options there when you hold down certain things. Check that out. If you want to see your notifications, upper left hand corner, swipe down, notifications, missed call, stuff like that. Also, if you want to get to your flashlight real quick, you just hold this flashlight button down, a couple seconds, there you go, you got flashlight, turn it off, hold it down. And camera, you can do this, check this out, twice, 2 different ways. Quick to the camera, and if you're here, you could also hold the camera. Choose whichever one you like. So that's how you get to it. If you want to get to Siri, there's also 2 ways. You can hold this power button, a couple seconds, there's Siri, what can I help you with? And there's also this other way. You can just say, hey Siri, and it will pop up. If yours doesn't work like that, here's what you need to do. Go to settings, go to, you're going to find Siri over here somewhere. Oh, Siri search right here. And you're going to turn on listen for hey Siri. That's how you could just say hey Siri whenever you want. For you guys who don't know what Siri is, you can just talk. You could tell it to navigate, say navigate to the Lansing Mall, and it will just take you right to navigation and find whatever you want. Siri's great. So search the web quick, you want to search your spotlight, everything, center of the screen, touch and swipe down. There you go, enter your whatever you're looking for. Also, you can get to it from here too. Search the web, search your phone. So that hasn't changed on the previous phone, the left, but also in the middle. Okay, to turn your phone off, you're actually gonna hold the power button and the volume down button. A few seconds, pops up, you get the option to slide. You'll feel your phone vibrate, and what that SOS emergency is, if you hold it too long, it's actually 5 seconds away from calling emergency for you. So you just hold the volume down and power, and that bar will go all the way up. So I don't want to do it, but you know what'll happen. They'll probably call the police right to your location. So slide off, that's how you turn your phone off. So again, that's how you use your phone, basic stuff. for your iPhone X. And thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I hope this video helped you guys out.